quick.
I know. Leave it to me.
Oh, well.
It's the 407, he says. Grab that tow rope.
I think Jeff has it.
Oh. Apparently Jeff has your tow rope too. Let's do it again.
V-blade on the
What the hell was that?
It's a rock. We've confirmed it is a rock.
Here, we'll put the bungee on it.
Yep, just one sec. Watch out.
Hold on.
Trying to break a path.
Nice try, John.
thought she's gonna try to walk through the water. I was like, don't do that.
Pretty advanced for the kids.
Does it?
Sounds like a fucking Subaru, right? Amazing, eh? From last night. Last night we came through here.
Oh, I know.
I think I'll be pulling Brett the whole way.
Uh-oh. Brett just slid off a ledge. It'll be a bit.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What do you think, John? Pretty short to go to there. I'll probably go to
Before we left, I'm like, oh, I should grab a pulley. We could have put a pulley on that and just got him to here, and then,
I have a pulley. Maybe we could just go around that tree.
yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
I just wasn't sure how much friction it would make trying to pull the. It's just such a light sled.
Well, why don't we? I thought you were gonna put that around the tree.
No, that's gonna have to go to his sled because I don't have a sling.
Yeah.
Got here. Want me to run it? Is it moving? Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, fire it up.
That's fine. It'll stop. No, I just pictured like.
Is the pine fine? Yeah.
Just fucking up the trailer.
What's Jeff doing?
Jeff was trying to see if he could cut a way around all of this slush.
Ah.
Jeff is definitely a man of his word.
But, what, lying?
No, you won't fall through.
It's
Who's all stuck?
Just these two.
These two?
We're here because you guys are here.
I know if we stick to this, just give me a minute.
Keep going!
keep going. Whoa.
Oh, I got soakers.
Oh shit.
Maybe I should text my mom. Dear Mom, we
Found
are
snow.
running late.
Ready, boys?
How far are we riding water yet? Oh, good Lord.
Oh, that stinks.
If you're in Kane's Quest, what would you do?
Yeah.
Call a helicopter.
Honestly, if we could get this flipped up,
Okay.
with all of us here, if we flip it up,
Yeah.
shovel some snow under it,
Okay.
probably a lot easier than
Hey, Brett.
Brett comes over here. I'd say we all get on this side of it.
All of us on this side then?
Yeah, I'd say all of us on this side. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's give her another 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Want to do one more?
That's good. Supposed to stay there, Calvin?
Signed enough.
Grab it.
You got a little black under
Do
your
you have any
nose.
hot dogs left?
Ready? Go count 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll do another one. 1, 2, 3.
Hold on, Jeff. 1, 2, 3. Head blew word out.
Oh my God, no, Jeff, like seriously.
So, you and Rainey are okay.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
It's only the Alpine, but I'll come back this trail.
Okay.
I'll get down to there and try to hug the shoreline.
Can I stay on this side with you?
Yeah, for now. I'm going to go and turn around and come back.
I gotta change my gloves. I can't bend my fingers on my left hand. Does he have goggles? Do you want to give him your extra pair of goggles?
Again.
Because he's about to have his like evening ruined.
Hey, Brett. Brett, you want some goggles?
I'm okay. He should be alright. He's going to duck below the windshield.
Okay.
Hey, it's not bad. He's actually not getting covered.
No. He's just like boating.
Oh my God. Like water skiing.
Yeah. You should follow this trench. Really good. It's a wide track.
His skis are iced up, eh?
Oh yeah.
They got,
My only goal is to not
okay,
die.
hold on to, the center.
You brought your water wings? I'm up on something here. I'm just gonna pack it a bit.
Yeah. I'll go from there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, loop it through.
Yeah.
Once I start going, I'm gonna go continue right to where everybody's standing.